Productivity and efficiency are crucial pillars of growth in the textile industry. Choosing the right thread is an important aspect of garment production, affecting the overall productivity and end cost. However, its significance is often ignored and compromised. Thread breakages, skipped stitches, seam security, and appearance are some of the fundamental problems that cause disruptions in the garment manufacturing process. This leads to a lot of time and resource wastage and impacts the overall end product quality. Not just that, it leaves your workforce exasperated and sometimes even demotivated. Think it doesn't make a big difference in costs? Consider this scenario. A 30-second needle downtime per hour results into a downtime of 200 minutes per day. That's more than 3 hours, approximated at a 12 standard average minute value. If you use Coat's range of threads, an additional 16 garments can be produced per day during this downtime, equating to approximately 400 garments a month. So now we know how high-quality thread is crucial for overall productivity to grow and the sewing cost to come down. Let's understand how Coat's solutions can help you achieve that. Coat's threads are known for abrasion resistance, elasticity elongation, incredible seam strength, and no puckering, which ultimately translates to high quality as well. You'll get a satisfied workforce too. Using high-quality threads from Coat's can help you increase productivity by avoiding and eliminating downtime. Additionally, Coat's only uses super high tenacity fibers and filament that ensures superior strength when it comes to thread manufacturing. The end result? You save on excess cost of sewing and enhance productivity. So along with other aspects, look at building productivity and efficiency by choosing the high-quality threads, and we at Coat's have one for every need.